you're thinking, no, I wanna see you undress now. I wanna hear you confess now. We only met each other just the other day. But you and me got me feeling now. If I could figure it out.
Manis banget ya Bu.
Ini yoghurtnya enak.
Kebanyakan madu kayaknya Bu.